guys, welcome to Black Diesel Garage. In this video, I put on these aftermarket mirrors from eBay. I broke one of my mirrors, so I had to get some new ones, and I decided to go with these aftermarket ones, which have a more modern looking light in them. And there was one of the most easy installs I've done as far as installing mirrors goes. Pretty easy install, pretty simple. And I actually like them quite a bit, so if you're interested in how the install is, here's the video here. So right now I'm living out of the back and have a topper on the back. Can't see out of the back, so I can only see forward and I can only see my other side. Can't see out of this side right now towards my back end, so I got to get these replaced. So gonna make it look a little better, something a little newer-ish. You didn't get the modern mirrors for these, but I don't like the cutout angled corner, so I went with the same style it has, but they have this aftermarket LED. They were on eBay, I think, for like $140. So I'm just gonna do a little review and throw these on there if any of you are interested in these style of mirrors, so that way you can know before you spend your money whether they work good or not, because I spent my money. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, on the inside of the door here, where is it? Out there somewhere. You can see over there that black little cover. There's a cover on here you pop off. There's tape blocking this hole. And then there's 3 plugs in here. Looks like I did not need to pull out that plug, but there's 4 bolts in here that appear to be 11/16. Well, that's not fun. Looks like they make you have to pull the door panel, because I don't think the plug's gonna come out through there. So got unbolted. Here it is hanging, but I'll have to pull the door panel. All right, so there's 2. What I'm using is a 17mm. Don't know if that's exactly what they are, but there's 2 17mm there, one there, and one there. So I'm gonna pull those, and I assume the bottom kicks out and it lifts up. All right, so there was no good place to get back behind here, so I pulled my speakers, and turns out you do not have to do that. I reached up and felt the wire, and the wire poked out this hole and went to this plug. So you could leave your speaker in, unplug that, shove it through the door and pull it back out. But now on second thought, you might want to take your speaker out so that you can feed that wire back through this hole. Stick your hand up in there and get it through here. Here's my mirror, there's the plug, here's the new mirror. It comes with all these plugs for another vehicles, I assume, but it looks like this plug here is my exact plug, so I'm gonna pull it off right here. And I assume these plugs right here are for the extra light, because it has a white light in it too. I don't know, I think I take this apart and put it into here, but I don't know. Yes, that plugs into there. These came with no directions with them, but hopefully that runs my lights off factory wiring. We will see. All right, so I plugged it all in, and yes, this little plug goes plugged on itself and makes the mirror lights work just fine. It has a white light and also a amber light. And having the speaker out did help with me fishing the cord through. Got it bolted up, and for some reason the fitment up here was real horrible. I fixed that, and I'll show you what was the issue. So here on my old mirror, you can see there's one stub here on the top screw. For some reason, mine had an identical stub over here that was keeping it from fitting right. And I took pliers and just snapped it off, and it fits great now. Here's the driver's side mirror. For some reason, it's like it's supposed to be. It doesn't have the 2 stubs on it. So I don't know if something was wrong in shipping or what. And I don't know if you buy these for a truck like an OBS or something where there's plates to fit them on, if it needs those stubs and it gives it more stability or what. But looking at these plugs, several of these, not this one here, but these other 2 look a lot like OBS plugs. So I don't know if people swapping to them, if they made these to fit the OBS trucks too, or what's up with that. But there's an adapter they give you for several different vehicles, and some extra on the, I believe, the white light probably. But yeah, fits great, looks good. I'm gonna throw the door all back together and get the other one on, then I'll show you guys how they look. And another thing, here's the nuts they come with. Here's the factory nut. The factory nut thread's on there. So I just went ahead and reused my factory nuts because the bigger base plate will make it a little more sturdy. All right, so here's how they look on the truck. It's kind of bright out, but that light's lit up right now. I think they look a lot better than that orange light. Here's the amber one. There's the new one. And over here I got the blinker running. I like it. Well guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was informational for you and help you decide if you're planning on getting some newer styled mirrors for your truck. And once again, thank you for all the subscribing, the sharing, the commenting. It helps boost the channel a lot. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one, Black Diesel Garage. See you guys.